So guys, you made it here, so you want to find out how you can play our game and basically win 50 bucks every 2 days. So let me go through the tutorial, show you how to set everything up from scratch. I'm gonna show you how you can do this on your phone, because on the desktop and laptop it's pretty easy to do. So let's get into my phone and let's start. So I'm in my phone right now, and first thing what we need to have is a Phantom wallet. So you can search it up in Google Store or Apple Store, and just search up Phantom wallet. When you have it installed, just click open, and then we just agree, create new wallet. Continue with email. So I'm gonna use my Google, or you can use Apple, whatever you want. You could do with the phrase, but this is the easiest way to actually get it going, if you just want to play around and play our game. So it's the most easiest. You continue with Google, then I'm gonna blur out my email, but you can use well, you use yours probably, so continue with that. And then yes, I'm in, and then it's supposed to, again, I'm gonna blur out my email, so it just shows my email there. And now it's asking to create a password for it. So we're gonna create a password, just random. This is a dead wallet anyway, so it doesn't really matter. 6, whatever, we can put that. Pin. Then it takes a few seconds to create a wallet. Use this device to authenticate. Wallet, you can turn it on if you want, if you have a authentication like a fingerprint. If you don't, you can just use the PIN to enter the wallet. So it's gonna give you a username, very simple. Like, you can choose your own if you want, but whatever works for yourself. I just continue with the one that it's giving right now. And there you have it. We have the Phantom wallet installed on our phone. So we're gonna get started. Click get started, allow Phantom notifications, and we have to unlock it. You have to click unlock the Phantom, and it's gonna either give you a PIN or you have to authenticate with a fingerprint. And here you go. We have the Phantom wallet. It's empty. Well, you can use for crypto and stuff like that, but you don't have to for our game. You don't really have to do that. So it's very like for yourself, just to play the game. You're gonna have this set up, and then you click on the browser icon on the right side. It's like a little icon. You can see where I clicked right now. And then the top bar, you're gonna write soltool.io. So this is our website. So we're gonna click, it's gonna try to load. So here you go, we have our website. Now, when you're gonna connect your wallet to our website, we will know who has played our game. So if you go into the game section right now, we currently have not connected our wallet, so the score will not be added to top players. As you can see, we show like from whoever played today. So we have 15 guys who played with the different wallets. So that's fairly simple, guys. You just have to click connect wallet. It's gonna pop up saying connect your wallet. You click connect, and then of course you have to be in the game section, and here you go, you can play the game. Super simple. And the scores, you can see 186. Now it's adding up. So you play with empty wallet. You do not have to hold any money in that wallet. It can be a demo wallet like I just created right now. It's completely a demo wallet, and you can play and enter our contest. Now, as you can see, I'm in the 15th place. Now that's my ticket number, meaning when we're gonna do the live draw, the 15 is my ticket number. Of course, when we close the contest, your position could change because somebody can overtake you, but we're gonna send a spreadsheet in our Telegram. And if you're in our phone, you can find our TikTok, Telegram, YouTube, X account, so you can find all these things, guys. So have a go at it, get a high score. If you want a special number to be like, you want to be number 1 as a ticket number 2 or 3, get a higher score, play the game. And we're gonna be doing live draw with using Google Random Generator. So I hope I explained it well. So we can go back into the home. You can see it. This is what's gonna happen when I'm gonna show you again. This is just when you're in the home section. This is what you're gonna see every time you open your wallet. Now, if you're gonna click on the search part, it's gonna show up. And of course, we have the browser window. If you click at the top, you can open a second browser window if you want to. But anyway, right now we have it. We can try it from the start. So we can do soltool.io, click open, and you see the wallet is already connected automatically. So if you connect it once, it will reconnect automatically. Make sure always to check if your wallet is connected, because your score will not add up in the list of top 10 players. So make sure to do that. You can read our rules, and stuff like that. This contest gonna keep repeat every 48 hours. So we're gonna do a live draw. Just keep an eye. Make sure to join our Telegram to know what's going on, guys. So play the game, and any score you have, you can win 50 bucks every 2 days. So we cut off at 48 hours, and then in the morning we're gonna do live draw. We are currently in Spain, so sorry. So we follow the Spanish time. So Madrid, mostly if you don't know which time zone, you don't know about time zones and stuff like that we have in the rules section, just look as Madrid time. So you'll know, basically, you will guide yourself through it, so you will know what time is the contest going on, when we're going to do the live draw and so on. Of course, all the live draws will be, as they're done afterwards in the morning, you can watch them because they do save the videos. So yeah, guys, make sure, test it out, play the game, and maybe you will be our next winner of $50. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope I teach you how to create a Phantom wallet and how to connect your wallet to our website, and you can play the game. Okay, thanks, guys. Talk to you in the next one.